Hello, now we'll solve the following exercise using the Python language. Write a Python program with a function that receives a list B containing integer numbers and return a new list with only the even numbers in B. As always, the code and the exercise list is in the description of the video, and if you like, subscribe. Well, we have to make a function here, so let's separate our functions from the main code. So our functions will be above and the main code will be down below. Now, these functions will separate the even numbers. Then we can name the function, for example, separate even numbers. This function will receive a list, which you can name our list, and will return the list even. Okay, now how can we do this? We have several numbers and we only want to select the even numbers. Well, one way to do it is to go through each element in the input list, verify if it's even, and if it is even, we can insert it in the second list. And how do we do this? Well, it's quite simple. We create an empty list. Okay, so list even initially is an empty list. And now we go through each element in the input list with a for I in range length our list. So we go through each index in the input list. We verify if it's even. So if our list, the position I, the remainder by 2 equals to 0. So if what remains after the division of this number by 2 is equal to 0, then the number is even. And if it's even, we just insert it in the list even. And our list, the position I. And this should be it. Well, let's check it. Now we create an empty list, we go through each element in a list, through each index, we verify if these elements are even, and if they are even, we insert it in this list even, and by the end of the code we just return list even. Okay, that should be it. Let's test it with the example that the exercise gives us. The test list is this one. For list even will be the return of separate list, separate list, separate even numbers in the position receiving this test list, and we print this list even at the end. List even. Okay, so we have a list with integer numbers, which is the same as the example, and we will get the return of this function that we created with the input of this test list, and this should be only the even numbers in this test list. Okay, let's check it. This should be it. Okay, let's run. Invalid syntax. Okay, we inserted a letter here that should not be there. 26864 as the exercise says. And that's it. Thank you very much.